Hi, I'm Mike Parker, and welcome to this series of short videos of reflections on core themes that we come across in liminal coaching practice. This one is on the subject of how vital to our well-being our connection with nature is. In his book Social, Professor Matt Lieberman describes the latest findings of social neuroscience in an accessible and wide-ranging way. One of the fascinating findings is that the centers of the brain that register physical pain also register social exclusion and isolation. These centers are more active in a positive way when giving $5 than when receiving a $5 gift. We are wired to collaborate and have empathy with one another. We are socially embedded. This complements and reinforces findings from other fields, suggesting that we are primarily collaborative, empathic, and even altruistic at root. We are contextual beings, and meaningful interrelationship with one another is as vital as air to our well-being. Now, evidence from Shinrin-yoku research, forest bathing studies, show that we are equally embedded in nature. Distress arises from disconnection with nature and seeing it brutalized in the same way that it does from seeing other people brutalized. Our nature is literally interwoven with nature. Using specific liminal coaching modules, we can reconnect people with their sense of belonging in nature, leading to improved well-being and the ability to focus on achievable solutions to problems with the environment rather than freezing in a state of overwhelm. If our work with the environment and sustainability communities interests you, please reach out and connect. We don't charge for initial discussions. We'd love to hear from you, and we have a number of ways of making the coaching accessible for those working in these areas. Email me directly at mike@liminalcoaching.co.uk or use the website contact form www.liminalcoaching.co.uk. Thanks so much for watching. Bye for now.